Good morning, students. Here we are with another mini lesson for math. Our mini lesson of today is going to be about multiplication review. And what we're going to do is we're going to use all our knowledge we have learned or gotten through third grade, and we're going to apply it to these problems that we're going to see here. So here we are. Get ready for this mini lesson. You need a piece of paper, a pencil, and have a great attitude. Our learning target for the day is going to be I can solve word problems using different strategies. And when I say different strategies, I'm talking about all the different strategies we have learned during our school year. So this is the strategy I want you to remember and use the most today. It's going to be the cube strategy where we need to circle the key numbers, underline the question, box the math actions, evaluate and eliminate, and show your work. This is going to be the key component here. You need to show your work. But this is going to be our first problem today. I can solve word problems using multiplications. And the problem says like this. Caroline has 7 boxes of pencils. There are 6 pencils in each box. How many pencils does Caroline have? Oh, come on, guys. This is super simple. What we need to do first, we need to circle the numbers, we need to underline the questions, and we need to box the words that are going to help us solve this problem. And this is what we got. Now, after we know that, we need to think, what is it that I need to do? If Caroline has 7 boxes of pencils and there are 6 pencils in each box, how many does she have? All right, she needs to multiply 7 times 6, and 7 times is 42. Phenomenal. That's pretty good. Okay, this was super simple. So let's do one. I want you to read the following problem, and I want you to pause the video, and I want you to work it out using the same strategy. Ready? Okay, let's see what you got. Miss Lil has Miss Lil plants 4 rows of tulips in her garden. There are 12 tulips in each row. So here we have 4 rows. One, two, three, four. And why do I have these pictures? Well, because I like to draw. So you can also draw, okay, arrays or groups to solve problems. So I have the 4 groups of 12. So what do I need to do now? What I know is that in each group I have 12 tulips. So how many tulips did Miss Lil plant? You know Miss Lil loves to plant. So how many did she plant? What can we do? Yes, we can count 12 from the first row plus 12 in the second row is going to be 24. Plus 12 in the third row is going to be 36. Plus 12 in the last row is going to be 48. What other strategy would you use to solve this problem? I want you to show me, stop the video, write it down, work out the problem, and send me a picture through Jojo of how would you work out this problem. Okay, let's go with the third problem. For a cookout third grade had last weekend, Katie brought 4 6-packs of soda. If there were 20 people at the cookout and each person drank 2 sodas, how many sodas are left? Interesting. This is a two-step word problems. I want you to pause the video again and work out the problem. Then I will show you how I did work out the problem. Ready? Okay. She brought 6 packs of soda. That's my first step. So what do I have here? I have 10 people and each people drank two. Okay, so I have 6 packages of 4 and I have 10 peoples that drank two. What do I need to do now? I need to multiply 10 times 2. Why? Because I know there were 10 people there and each people drank 2. That's going to give me 20. And if Miss Katie brought 4 packages of 6, how many sodas are there in total? How many sodas are there in total? 24. That's right. So what do I need to do now? What do I need to do now? I need to subtract the 24 that she brought minus the 20 that they drank. And I'm going to have 4. That's amazing. Good job. Now, this is the last problem for the day. A teacher is identifying patterns found in a multiplication table. And you have 4 patterns. You have pattern 1. The product of any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Pattern 2. The product of any number multiplied by 1 is 1. Pattern 3. The product of two even numbers is always even. And pattern 4. The product of an even number and an odd number is always odd. I want you to work out each pattern. Pause your video, work out each pattern, and tell me which one are correct and which are not. You will check. These are your options. Okay? You have 4 options. I want you to give me the answer, but I need you to work out the problems. So, work out the problems and send it through JoJo. Good work.